God's plan. God's plan.
Don't hurt him. Oh, hey yo, Mark, bro, how you doing? Oh, what up, man? Fam, I got 3 kids, bro. I got a wife. I'm on my feet all day trying to run after like a 2-year-old, bro. I'm running like 36 kilometers like a minute. Fam, my feet are sore. Fam, I got you. All you need is some comfortable dad shoes. Alright, bro, I got you, but like, how do I know what's the best shoe? Or like, how much like school fees I need to afford toys for these freaking kids, bro? I want new toys! I choose you, Pikachu! Hey man, like, how do I know which one's the right one? Watch this video, alright? Like, I got a YouTube channel, I'm doing a sneaker review right now, you know what I'm saying? Clap, clap, sneaker review. I got you. What is good, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing a sneaker review. This time it will be on the Puma Thunder Spectra in the OG colorway. Arguably, this was one of the best dad shoe sneakers to be released in 2018. This was a really hype release and it instantly sold out. So on StockX, the most someone actually paid for this sneaker was $500. Now it's going for around $200. As for a moment, I'd like to press F down in the comments just to pay respects for this fallen soldier. He spent $500 on the shoe. Right now it's going for $200. So everyone join me. Comment down below. Press F to pay respects. Alright, so this shoe, I've said on many occasions, I feel it's a Puma. No one was really feeling Puma at the time, but when Puma looked at the current trends, they found the dad shoe. And like the Balenciaga Triple Sole sneaker, it's like they said, yo, here's our version. Buy this one. It doesn't cost $1,000. Alright, so moving on with the shoe, you've got the classic green Puma shoebox with the size tag right there. You've got Puma branding on the top right corner. Now opening up the box, you've actually got an intricate sort of wrapping system. I sort of like it. You open these 2 flaps of paper and then there's paper separating the 2 shoes as well. So there's your sneakers right there. You know what, let's get the box out of the way and start with the sneakers. And one of the main reasons this shoe is so trendy and it's so hyped is obviously because of its chunky, thick sole. Now, if you look closely, it's got like a double sole. Also, you've got this rubberized outsole and then the thick midfoot cushioning area with the teal blue stabilizing system on the heel and on the midfoot area. Finally, you've got the matte black support on the outer midsole area. Alright, now moving on to the upper of the shoe. On the lateral side, there's a subtle branding in this matte kind of plasticky leather material. Then coming down, a nice detail I really like is this texturized rubber mudguard right here. Around the end of the heel, there's this nice dusty blue suede counter. This suede is actually really butter. It feels as good as this $300 Chukka boot. So shout out to you guys, Puma, for the actual good materials. On the bottom of the tongue, you've got that same really nice suede in a red patch. The main upper material is this black mesh, and I'm happy that they decided to go with a black upper as it allows the contrasting colors to pop as well. Then the black mudguard on the toe is this really nice and soft leather material, and for a $180 shoe, the leather quality is actually really nice. You have that same leather on the tongue with Puma branding in teal. Moving on to the heel, you've got that same TPU material heel counter. Then for the pull tab, you have the Puma branding also in this dusty blue. Then on the medial side, you have that same yellow neoprene block material but without a Puma side stripe. As for sizing, since it's a really thick and a wide sneaker, if you've got slim feet, consider going down half a size. But if you've actually got wide feet like me, you'll be fine going true to size. But if you can, make sure you try on the shoe in your local sneaker store. For my thoughts on the Puma dad shoe, I actually really like the vibe on the sneaker. It looks really crazy, like it just went through a thunder. Get it? Puma Thunder, Spectre, Winter Thunder, no? Alright. But seriously, you won't go wrong with this shoe. It still gives a chunky dad shoe vibe, but also being really sleek as well. The main question for this video, is it still relevant in 2019? And I say yes, it is. There's still many dad shoe sneakers releasing. Just look at the Yeezy 500 and the 700. The wave is still here and still going strong in 2019. And this shoe, it is really affordable. Retail is only $180. So if you're looking to buy the sneaker, it will not break the bank. Fun fact guys, this shoe is actually inspired by Puma's past collaboration with Alexander McQueen back in the day. I'll leave a photo right there. I gotta say, this was a very well-timed comeback for the sneaker. Now as for styling, please avoid really skinny jeans, cause then the chunky shoe will just mess up the vibe. You want to maintain the balance. What's really been trending right now is the straight-legged pants. Pants that's not too baggy but not too slim as well. And then the cuff of the shoe just kind of envelops your shoe. But keep in mind, you won't want to wear them with your sleek Ultra Boost sneakers. With the dad shoe, it works due to the overall chunkiness of both the elements. Alright, now since these colors really pop, you want them to be the focal point of attention in your outfit. One dope ass outfit would be a full black outfit with these sneakers on, because then you have the color popping whilst the black of the shoes match the black clothing. But in general, make sure your clothes in your outfit complement your sneakers as well. Alright everybody, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like and comment on this video as well. Please check out this video to your left. Subscribe right here. As always, I'm Salvador Sneakers. Peace.